The Mushroom Guardian. Deep in the heart of Whispering Woods, a tiny glowing mushroom named Lumi lived among the towering trees. Unlike other mushrooms, Lumi could move by swiftly growing from one spot to another. She loved listening to the forest's whispers, carried by the wind and roots beneath the soil. One evening, Lumi heard a deep growl. She stretched toward the sound and saw Grimfang, the lone wolf, limping through the trees. "Grimfang, do you need help?" Lumi asked in her soft, chiming voice. The wolf hesitated. "Why would a tiny mushroom care about me?" "Because every creature in the forest matters," Lumi replied. Grimfang sighed. "I stepped on a thorn. I can't hunt." Lumi whispered to the mycelium network beneath the forest. Soon, the wise reishi mushrooms sent healing spores drifting toward Grimfang's paw. The pain faded, and the thorn loosened. Grimfang removed it and stood tall. "You are small, but your kindness is great," he said. From that night on, Grimfang became the guardian of the Mushroom Kingdom, ensuring no harm came to the fungi that had healed him. And Lumi continued whispering with the forest, knowing that even the smallest light could make a difference. The end.